Welcome back. We spoke about Project Genes just before going on that commercial break, and now it's time to talk about Project Century for an evergreen actor. Who am I talking about? Well, remember Ek Banda Kafi Hai, Gangs of Wasipur, Aligarh, Family Man, Gulmohar? You get my drift, right? Well, it's Manoj Bajpayee, who is now ready to release his 100th movie.
Famous for saying characters he plays are more important than the bank balance. How is Bajpayee evolving with viewers? Here's a sneak peek at a longer conversation.
Thank you so much for speaking to CNN News 18.
Thank you.
आपने हमें सरदार खान को सौंपा, नीकू मात्रे को सौंपा, अब आप हमें भैया जी को सौंपने जा रहे हैं। क्या बताना चाहते हैं आप हमें फिल्म के बारे में?
All I would say that it's about a man who is very close to his family and who believes in the system of the family and the values of the family, and someone who doesn't like his past, but he's forced to go back to his past. So that's all I can say. Anything more than that, will be like revealing the whole story. A pattern definitely अलग है, क्योंकि बंदा जो है थी एक बिल्कुल अलग तरीके की फिल्म थी, और ये जो है वो ज़्यादा कंटेंट और मिडिल ऑफ द रोड, लेकिन ये पूरा मेन स्ट्रीम एक्शन मसाला फिल्म है, बट विद अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशन. I mean, the journey has been tough. The journey has not been very easy, I must say this. But I know I took it as as part of my life. And most of the time I had thought that this is the way God has planned it for me, and I shouldn't complain. I just keep moving, keep making my way this way or that way, but without losing any kind of faith in myself or in my life. I just kind of with a great resolve, I kept on working. And here now I have reached, Apurva Singh Karki told me actually when we were shooting with Bhaiya Ji that this is going to be a 100 film. And I couldn't believe that, because I never counted the numbers of films that I have, or projects I have been part of. The people's criticism should not be, should not offend you, because once it is in their court, it's up to them how they want to respond to it, right? How they're going to respond well if it is not, if they are finding it great, and if they will not like it, they will immediately respond it on social media. Because social media, everything is instant. You come out of theatre and the first thing you do is you write your review, one-line review, or that may be offensive in the manner it is written, or that may not be offensive in the manner it is written, okay? And if it is good, they will write good things, because they are forced by the content itself, by the film itself. They are forced to write good things because it has completely entertained them, engaged them, okay? And it consumed them completely, So they have seen the world, they've visited the world, they experienced the world, and they come enthralled by it. So in all the, in both the aspects, we as the makers should be ready for anything that comes from them. Okay, we might find their language very offensive at times, but they are faceless people at the end of the day. So and they are empowered with the same social media that you are empowered with. And they are using it the way they want to use it. You are using it the way you want to use it. देखिए जो बुरा टाइम होता है तो मैं हमेशा मानता हूँ कि बुरा टाइम जो है वो सबसे अच्छा समय होता है अपने ऊपर काम करने का। और अच्छा टाइम जो होता है वो आपको अच्छे अच्छे चॉइसेस चूज़ करने के लिए होता है। जस्ट यू नो be a grounded person in your good times and choose carefully. You know, choose the things that you think will do justice to your talent, do justice to your hard work.